when you say crisis, I have told you several. I don't have crisis. Rather, the governor, unknown to me, gave himself to be the tool for those who couldn't fight me to fight me. You see, when people talk about resolution, sometimes when I go back in my quiet moments, I play the video of the speeches of the governor, what he said, what he did to me. I win. Was it necessary? This was somebody who brought you, gave you food, gave you everything, did this for you. Then you became a tool for his enemies to fight him. You know, we're all human. Yeah. When people say there should be peace, nobody said there should be peace. How do you feel? How do you feel? Take for example, how do you feel? You know what you pass through by sending your son to school. You know what you pass through to make it be a human being. You know, sudden in the night, your son came with 2 people with gun to shoot you. Just tell me, is this something that will just go away like that from your mind? You made sure you gave your son good education. You made sure you provided food for him. You made sure he didn't lack. You are ready to sacrifice everything you had, and you made that sacrifice. In the night, they said the armed robbers. Who are the armed robbers? Your son is the one carrying gun. Your time is up. Somehow, God helped you. You didn't die. People come, carry your son, come and beg you, is their son. I agree. But
if you held your leg,
it's not correct.
okay.
There's never been a time.
So
what is the remorse? Have you met with anybody? You see, I have told people, this politics of television, the politics, I feel so bad. Each time I read these things, I feel so bad. Because, yes, what Governor Dapo Governor Feboy, and one of the leaders from the Southwest, they came to my house, brought him. I said, listen, he's ready to make peace. This and that. I don't have problem. If he wants to make peace, he has the app, he has the life. He said he was traveling. He traveled. I've not seen him since that day. So when people talk about it, I don't laugh. I think it is not to go on television to say, I don't know. Okay, will he make peace without the assembly members? Will he make peace without the leaders of the party? Will he make peace? You see, I try to be honest to people. I have said so. The mere fact that Mr. President said, look, make peace. It will be difficult for me to disobey Mr. President. But he should also know that it's not water that's flowing here, it's blood. Now, I gave the analysis here, which none of you tried to answer. These are people who vowed that you will never be governor. These are people who petitioned you to EFCC. These are people who, simply because envy, how will you bring Wike down? Then you provided yourself. And I'm going to bring Wike down. And I've told people who do not understand what betrayal is, may they be betrayed 10 times more than this. This is my prayer. I have told you here, we want peace, but you must show that the peace you want to is for your mind, is genuine. You're taking steps. It's not every day you're on television, you're on radio, peace is ongoing. It's not ongoing on the air, every Friday. Nobody has said that. You just say, oh, it's ongoing. Oh, I was studying with my guy. Oh, I was studying with my former guy. As I speak to you, I've never seen it. So I don't know what is happening. I don't know the strategy people are adopting. So that tomorrow they will say, we don't want peace. Nobody. I've called assembly.
Excellency, Your Excellency, you are operating on two theaters, the national level, and you didn't attend the last NEC meeting of the PDP.
There was no NEC meeting.
Legally.
I don't know if you attend illegal.
So, and then, secondly, you are operating also in rivers. Is there a possibility at all, if you look at it, because now the emergency will soon expire, is there a possibility of you reconciling with the governor of Rivers? That's the first part of the question. Second part of the question is that we are moving towards 2027. How do you see your future in the PDP?
What is my future?
You are in the PDP.
Was I not in PDP before?
No.
Am I not in PDP? What is my future? Listen, I've told you this thing. Is it because of Aswaju presidency? Is it what they're talking about?
Yes, it is important.
Why do you have to ask me that? Don't you know that I
said that you want to run against him, in fact.
So are you not aware that I will need the campaign River State? Why you want me to say no? Are you not aware that he did not get up to 10% here, but he will win here? Are you not aware?
Okay.
So, asking me a question, you know.
You are going to lead the campaign.
Yes.
Okay. For the APC. Okay.
Mr. Sir, because we're press for.
I have said the South must produce the president.
Honorable Minister,